willing to bet some of you out there did not know you could use Articulate Rise to build a digital escape room, and you can do it very easily. That is what I've done here in this course. This is a resilience escape room. So I'm just going to walk you through the few things you need to do to set it up for an escape room. For one, you need to change your labels. Well, you don't have to, but it's a better experience. I actually created a label set, and then anytime I'm doing an escape room, I just select it. You do that by making all of your changes that you want to change, and then choosing Create New, and then you'll name it. And then you'll have one for escape rooms. It's really that simple. So you start with your one in English. I'm assuming you speak English. You make the edits, Create New, name it Escape Room. So for example, instead of it saying Start Course, I like it to say Start Escape Room, Resume Escape Room. Some other things I include, it says here, instead of saying lessons must be completed in order, puzzles must be completed in order, skip to puzzle instead of skip to lesson. So you get the idea. I just went through, and where it made sense to change out a word for puzzle or escape room, I did. And you can decide how you want to do that. But anyway, you'll want to do that, and then make sure you select it, and then close. The other thing you'll want to do is make sure you restrict navigation. So you want to force learners to go through this in order. So you're going to go to your settings, navigation, and then you want to turn on restrict navigation. Sometimes you're going to want to force them to complete content. So just because it's a digital escape room doesn't mean there isn't actual learning content here. For example, this escape room begins with an introduction to resilience. So it's in a video format, and I want to be sure they're forced to watch the video. So typically with escape rooms, teams are competing. So there is this time element, and you want to make sure they don't have a choice to skip this. They have to watch it. So right here under format, you want to make sure allow forward seeking is shut off. We do not want to allow seeking. They can't jump ahead in the video. They have to actually watch it start to finish. Then you'll put a continue button. And for the continue button, you're going to change that to complete all the blocks above. Or if it's just the one above that you need them to complete, but I just choose all of them. That way they have to do that before they can move on. That forces them to complete the content. And then now, how do you make a digital lock? Well, let me show you what one looks like. So this is a quiz. And then the question is, enter the word lock and submit your answer. So they have to enter the lock. In this case, it's the word strong before they can move ahead. And they have to enter it. So for the quiz settings, you need to make sure 3 things are done. You require a passing score of 100%. You require a passing score to continue. You have unlimited retries. And actually there's a 4th thing, and that is to hide all answers. So there's 4 settings there. You need to make sure those are set up. And then you do this fill in the blank question, and they must enter this answer before they can go on to the next one. And they have to retry over and over and over again until they get it. Now you'll notice I have not made this case sensitive, so they can enter capitals or lowercase. It doesn't matter, any combination, as long as it's those letters. Let's look at another one. This one is a number lock. So, and it gives them some instructions here on the first page. I kind of give them a clue. In order to crack this final code, you'll need to discover more clues. Don't worry, something is about to become very clear. And actually on this one, they're given a pigpen cipher that they need for some actual props they have in their possession. And they're looking for a 6-digit number code. So same settings, once again, 100%, require passing score, unlimited retries, and hide all answers. So it is as simple as this. Let me just show you. I know you've seen it. You probably understand exactly what's going on, but let me just show you. So if you're going to do a lock, you name it, And then when you add content, you're going to create a quiz. You're going to put in all your quiz, blah, 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 your directions. You're going to change this to 100. Yes, unlimited retries. Hide all answers. And then you'll delete these defaults. And then you're going to add a fill in the blank. You know, and you say, what is the 8-digit code? I don't know, is that 8 digits? Anyway, that's how you do it. It's that simple. That's how you make a digital lock. So if you just stumbled upon this video and you don't know how to make escape rooms for professional learning experiences, then you need to go and watch a whole bunch of videos at my channel that will teach you exactly how to do this. I also sell a book that's over 200 pages that has 5 examples of escape rooms, so you can kind of even see how they're built. And I have videos about them as well. I got tons of resources. If you're interested in learning how to create professional learning escape rooms, you've got to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and then go track down all those other videos. Have a great day.